There's something I've been meaning to do for a while because, well, normally I'm at my set doing videos, but lately I've been doing a bunch of screencast videos, and I started using the Nikon Z6 here at my desk. And one thing has become more noticeable from when I used to use a webcam at my desk. It's the ring light in my eyes and the hue on my face that isn't the most appealing thing, and I've known about it for a while. Ever since switching to the Z6, I've noticed it even more. I knew the ring lights were always there, but, you know, sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. And, well, let's solve this right now. So this should look a lot better. The funny thing is, I didn't actually do much. I didn't change the light. I didn't change the white balance. All I did was turn the ring light around. Something I've been wanting to do for a while, but just, I don't know, maybe I was too lazy to do it for some reason. Now, what you have here is basically one light as the main light, but actually it's even bouncing. So the main light is actually bouncing off walls. I have a wall here, I have a wall here, and a wall here, and the main light is bouncing off those walls, and the walls are now illuminating me. And then I have the backlight. There's actually an overhead light right over my head, which is why you see such shine on the top of my head. And then you can see there's more overhead lights in the back. That's the light that is illuminating me right now. So from now on, when I'm at my desk, recording any sort of videos that are screencast style videos, you will see no more ring light in my eyes. You will no longer see that because glasses really bring that out, of course. When you don't wear glasses, ring lights in the eyes look really good. I've had the ring light since the beginning of making YouTube videos, since the beginning of doing screencast videos. That was the only light that I ever owned for video. I've, of course, now upgraded, so I now have better quality lights at my set, but I never did anything to upgrade the lights here, so now I have. Now I have really, not really upgraded as far as spending more money on the lights, but I just turn around the light, and which is an upgrade. In my previous studio, where I was doing my videos, I didn't have the opportunity to turn around the ring light because I didn't have enough space to really bounce the light off. It would have just been like this up against the wall. Now I have enough room that I can actually really spread it out. And the light, this one ring light is illuminating the whole area where my desk is, which is a beautiful thing. So my tip for you is if you ever need to adjust your lighting, think about not illuminating yourself or illuminating your subject. Think about bouncing the light. Because when you bounce the light off of a wall, you actually get a very soft effect. It's a softbox effect just from bouncing the light and making it reflect instead of being direct on your subject.